Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to another episode of Corey's Cards. I'm Corey and these are my cards. Today we got a couple of different sports going on. We got a Blaster of 2021 OPG Premier and a hanger box of Topps Update 2021 Baseball. So let's go get in the Blaster first. New here, so my first day on the job. So before I get ripping into this here, silly me, we're looking at 4 packs of cards, 5 packs per box. Sorry, 4 cards per pack, 5 packs per box. It includes 1 bonus pack. 20 cards total. Looking for autograph cards. Lots of stuff to grab out of this. Back to our regularly scheduled program here. So I've opened a couple of these already this season. I'm going to be getting some hobby boxes soon. I've been saving up my pennies for a while, and nickels and dimes since they don't make pennies anymore. We've got Bo Horvat, nice Philip Forsberg, another Bo Horvat in pink, matte pink, and Colton Parayko. Nice. The Aquamarine. That one's at $4.99. That's cool. Might need some of those. You know what? Let's put that Parayko up there. This is the numbered card. Nice to pull an autograph out of this. It's been a while since I pulled an autograph out of a hockey package. Jonathan Huberdeau. Dylan Coughlin. That's the rookie card. That's the retro variation. Zach Parise. Blue Sparkle. Blue Surge. It's not numbered. And a Ryan Nugent Hopkins. Just base. That's pretty good. Out of 2 packs, just 2 base cards. Blake Lizotte. Sam Reinhart. That's of the retro variation as well. Marquee rookies. Alexander Alexiev. And a Marc-Andre Fleury. Base card. Another one for the Vegas Golden Knights, which he no longer plays for anymore. And I am okay with that. Being a Sharks fan. Not a big Vegas fan. Jacob Slavin, rookie or base card. Chris Tierney. What is that? I'm gonna call that. That's just rainbow. Okay. Timothy Liljegren, Sweet Selections. Insert. Nice. And a Ty Dellandrea, Blue Surge. I feel like I've pulled a couple of those cards before. It was a very limited that I have opened. we've got a Miro Heiskanen, a nice Carey Price in that blue Surge. Philip Broberg, you know what? I'll put that up there. Carey Price. Until something better comes along. Philip Broberg, marquee rookie, and a Cale Makar base card. Too bad that wasn't last year when it was his rookie year. I don't mind pulling a Cale Makar rookie out of that. Alright. So yeah, so lots of variations. Actually, there's my stack of those guys right there. So now we'll get into 2021 baseball update baseball, whatever. So we're like, what's this? Friday? So we're like less than a week away from Topps Series 1 2022 dropping. And I bet you whatever, let me get my hands on some of that opening day. I will have some opening day, which is on Wednesday. So watch for my video on Wednesday. So we're just gonna alright. So Adam Duvall, Andres Jimenez, rookie debut of Luis Patino, Jose Quintana, Luke Jackson, Jimmy Lambert, Jared Kelenic, rookie card, DJ Peters, CJ Crone. You know what? Bonk. Aledmus Diaz, Powell's face off. That's cool. Joey Lucchesi. Yeah. Oh, Edwin Ucheda. NL Beasts. Rookie combos. Alan Trejo and Jordan Sheffield. Tyler Mahle. Jorge Mateo. Excuse me. David Dahl. Joe Adell rookie debut. That's a nice card, but it's not as nice as my Joe Adell out of 70 rookie card from Series 1. Whatever. Just saying. Spencer Howard. I should have sold that frickin' thing when it was hot. Vladimir Gutierrez, Adam Ottavino, I can't even read that. Adam Frazier, Wade Davis, Garrett Stubbs, Tyler Alexander, Chris Flexen, Patrick Weigel, Andrew Neisner. Yeah, let's go with Neisner. Ari Adrianza, Travis Blankenhorn, Juan Lagares, David Phelps, Powerful Pair, Cronenworth and Tatis, Liam Hendricks, Mike Franco, Jonathan Loizaga, Corey Kluber, no-hitter. 6th no-hitter of the year. Jake Cave, Aaron Savale, Tyler Wells, Evan White, rookie debut. Logan Allen. Ben Rortveld. Jose De Leon. Luke Rayleigh. Trevor Williams. Ben Rowden. Pablo Sandoval. The Panda. John Means. Another no-hitter. Oh, we're getting into the good stuff. Oh, we got a flipped over card. Alright, let's just go for this, I guess. Oh, okay. Oh, it's at $2.99. Trey Turner. All-Star game at a $2.99. Black. Whew. Nice. That is definitely better than that. And who we got here? We've got a Yerman Mercedes foil board rookie card. The guy that quit baseball after hitting 20 home runs in the first week. No, I'm just kidding. This tops the 70th anniversary collection. This is the 2000, I want to say 4 design. I'm not even really sure. But an Aaron Judge, when it's signed. I mean, it's not really signed, but. So that's an 86 design with Ozzie Smith. Oh, a beautiful Mike Trout. Oh, and look at that. An equally beautiful Nate Pearson of the 1992 design. And a Christian Pache. 1992. And an Eloy Jimenez in the 1992 design. So those were, no autographs, but that's the first Mike Trout card that I pulled in a long time. Another nice freaking Aaron Judge card to add to my collection of, Aaron Judge cards. There's the second black card that I pulled this year. There's the first one. That's the Joe Adell that I pulled out of Series 1. And they're only numbered at 70. This is number 1 out of 70. See that? I'm sorry if the glares there, but yeah, number 1 out of 70. Yeah, I should have sold that right away. But anyway, that's my pulls for today. Hope you liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'd like to hear from you guys. And hope we'll see you soon. I'll be doing this again real soon. See you soon.